So I actually generated this professional funeral poster with AI. But this is the second video I'm creating on AI generated funeral posters. All right, let's go. All right, so this is the master prompt. This master prompt is different from the first video that I did. This is creating an entirely different design with more technical instruction. Professional funeral poster. So when it comes to the rules here, you're going to give the AI certain negative restraints not to do. So no active icons, no separator lines or horizontal lines, crowded layouts, no crowded layouts, no modern infographics. So these are basically the negative prompts in here. So what you are going to do is that you come straight down. So you are coming straight down and we start from age. So you put the age there. Always make sure you have your tests, your new tests, so that you can just copy and paste. So this is the age. And then you come down to this. So anytime you see this bracket box or bracket icon, that's where you put your new information. So here you're going to put any of this title or any title that you have. You put it there. So let me just write opening here. And then you come to the first and the last name. First name. You clean this and write the deceased name there. So let me just go and copy the first name. And then you paste it in between the box, the bracket box, the same name, you do the same. Then we just write the birth year and then the death year. So we put it inside it, we clean it. I'm going to check. So 1959. Copy and then you come and paste it between the box, the bracket icon. Do the same year. This is 2026. So we are going to insert the chief mourners here. As I said, anytime you see the bracket icon, you insert your new information there. So let me go and copy the chief mourners. And then you paste nicely. Grandchildren, you insert it. Location, you insert it. And then you only come down, funeral arrangement as follows. You just insert all of them there. There's something in your information that is not here. You add it. You just add it. Just add it there, you write it here. So that's basically that. All right, great. Now this is the finished work. I've edited, given my own information in there, which I've used red ink to indicate them. So it's complete. This is complete. So I'll actually give you the finished one like this one and also give you the editable version. So let's go to Gemini to generate a funeral poster. We drag and drop images, your deceased image, both the current and the old, then the master prompt. You drop them there. and then we add this prompt, and we also add this reference design to it. We use a reference image to design for us. For me, use the reference image to design for me, and then let's go. So just wait for some seconds for the result. All right, that's great. So that's giving us a very nice design. I'll make sure I put the prompts, the master prompts, and the one that I've completed in the description box. The link will be there. Be sure you click on it. I'll give you access to the prompts. I'm Jason Appa, and I'm out.